So this week in share toy and I know on the 29th of June from Anaju 12 o'clock to the following day 12 p.m. and ensure no ejaito. Say for over 12 hours na ensure neto. Na ensure na toy no videos a trending ye pa no these videos of enkola ensure fawomo and have ensure mo wu ensure. Sa video we and ama president say on one say it no take a look at whatever is going on in Ghana and we are finding a solution to it. Now the solution when they buy no and abodam Kwawkese also on the president no because on my reading common or say Ghana has no engineering problem and now Kwawkese no on the president let's face the fact. We have engineering problems in Ghana. Videos in India are trending the course of this week. Just take a look at this video. Now for you here, you could see Kwawkese and so name someone over the mile.
That also is. Anybody knows? I'm watching up. Do what I want TikTok.
This is so bad.
When are we in Kwafone Fins, you know, me, alive or dead?
Oh, dead, though.
Kwafone saying
5. Yeah, 2 women and 3, one baby. Young fan is a 1 month, on do 1 month here. And say 2 boys no as about 1 year, 7 years, and 6 years. And we young fan is saying so ni be jai no. Na say be ba form no e no obo hu se nkrofo e hye so na ase
Wow. And we know. Also, we are trying. Another one. Oh, say the man didn't go in there yet. One say ahani here. Hey, but that's a good day, though. Hey, I don't want to say no free. We're proud.
Kai nyama we nyina course we no na omampani che say enye engineering problem by other problems say na omampani so di ni common sify amma Kwawkese abekasa.
The flooding in Accra is not an engineering problem. It is just a problem of indiscipline. It's not an engineering problem, it's a problem of a discipline. We have drains, and everybody says, why don't you do sealed drains? But the problem is when we do sealed drains, people drink sachet water, they eat papaya in those styrofoam plastics, and they just dump them anywhere. And these plastics wash into the drain, and they go and block the drain. And so if you have to unclog the drain, you have to remove all the drain covers and clean it out. You clean it out, you cover it again. In the next 3, 4, 5 months, they have clogged again. But that is not even the major problem. The major problem is the location of Accra. You have the Kwawkese mountain range, and you have the Atlantic Ocean. Before people came to Accra, you had the Lafa stream, you had the Densu, you had the Sakumo stream, you had the Kole stream, you had the Odo stream. All of them were rainwater that falls in the mountains that flow through to the Atlantic Ocean. Then you come and build a city in the path of those streams. What do you expect the streams to do? And even if you build, leave the causeways. If you come to London, you see the canals in the...
Yeah, we've been quiet for some time, but I think currently, Nyome Kukosu Ghana, sometime Chale say, what's when one Kasauti, where you, what I say? Because Chale, I don't know, it affect we all. The floods and what it affect we all. What I say? Sure, Mr. President, I greet you, and Mr. President, you say Uganda had here. We love you. What I say? We overlove you. There is a statement I will make. It say the problems we have in Accra or in Ghana about the floods is not an engineering problem, Mr. President. The truth be say, there is a lot of engineering problems in the city concerning our gutters and our bridges. Maybe you haven't seen some of them, but me, I can give you an example. Example is the Klagon Bridge that they are doing right now. If anybody drives around that bridge, park and check. The contractor decided to use culverts to channel the water through the culvert instead of allowing the space of the water which insuno size na edahono. You decided instead of saying ka obeye bridge afa so na insuna afa easily and freely contractor you see culverts then blocked some of the waterways so that they directed the water through culverts. Massa, if you see the weight of the water, would they culvert, would they block in our direction? That is not good engineering. That is bad engineering. So, Mr. President, that is one of that. Secondly, we have gutters that lead to nowhere. That is engineering problems. We have gutters that are and the gutter is there's no cover, so you need to heavier definitely gutter so we have a lot of engineering problems, Mr. President. I love you, but the truth be say, though people are building in waterways which we have to deal with, and though people are throwing stuff in gutters because they don't have, our sanitation is poor. We don't have place to throw your things. So definitely you will find an option, which is a bad thing. But let's address these things all, and let's not take some out and, factor our problems on just one channel. We also have engineering problems. Check our gutters in the cities. What I say, open gutters and gutter popochia. Then how do you expect the water to pass through freely. We have drainage systems. We have drainage problems. So let's address it all. When we say we want to break houses, because the whole Accra is a waterway. We use modern, strategies. Let's engineer our city well and, channel all the water through proper drainages. Ghana for bread, obi a breast and also be bubune dying. No. Engineering problem doesn't. We should address that.
The way Kwawkese and have been common now say present say in some way na e koso na say niam say ne nkofo owu ne ejapade nyina e say no per se we ye dia e ma ye bi film. We still have engineering problems regardless of the fact say bi ni mo sisi dan e wo insuo kwan so e na ball e di good insuo mu ama gates a choki no or say yes ni nyina ho no mo de but we should not take out the engineering factor also but everything being equal. I think say Kwawkese has spoken well. Message also are doing trivia will be ano. Also what the back on their my say na be ya man penny be who say all these things are also included, and so say you try na mombia we need to consider all these things so we can take one bold step and put those things under proper check. I hate too much. So some page name me at the man's mama. Send me apple bias na unsa ebitimaka.